Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to mint an Ethereum NFT. First, you'll need to understand what an NFT is and why it's valuable. We'll cover the basics of the Ethereum blockchain, which is the foundation for most NFTs. Then, we'll identify the key tools and resources you'll need to get started with your very own digital creation. Let's dive in and make your digital art a reality. Before minting, select your digital artwork carefully, ensuring it's ready for the blockchain. Next, you'll need to set up a secure crypto wallet, such as MetaMask, to manage your assets. This wallet will be crucial for all your transactions. Finally, make sure you have enough Ethereum, or ETH, in your wallet to cover the necessary gas fees. These fees are essential for processing your minting transaction. Now it's time to choose an NFT marketplace. Popular options include OpenSea or Rarible, each offering unique features. Once you've selected your platform, you'll upload your digital artwork and set its specific properties, including any royalties you wish to receive. The final step involves confirming the transaction within your crypto wallet. This action officially mints your NFT onto the Ethereum blockchain, making it a unique digital asset. Congratulations, your NFT is now live on the Ethereum blockchain. After minting, it's crucial to promote your creation across various social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Keep an eye on its performance and actively engage with potential buyers and collectors. Remember, building a community around your art is key to its success. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.